In the first column, it is the incidence rate of certain cancers in California. And an incident rate is the number of new cases per 100,000 people per year. And so we use rates like that rather than absolute numbers so that we can compare different populations, different counties. We can compare Butte County to California. And here are the incident rates in Butte County for those same cancers and some other things. And if they are in red, that number is higher. And if there are cancer rates are lower, it's in blue. And you see that for most cancers, with the exception of kidney, liver, and stomach cancer, Butte County has a higher rate. And if you take them all over on the right-hand side, this is the percentage difference. And down on this all cancer number, it suggests that we have a 14% higher rate of cancers in Butte County than in California. And we also have a 16% higher all-cause mortality rate in Butte County than in California.